In this video, we're going to look at how to solve a simple addition
Dakota.
problem. This addition problem says 12 plus 5 equals blank. Now what this means is it means that we have one group of 12. I'll go ahead and draw out 12 circles to represent the number 12, 11, 12. And we have another group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when we add these together, what we do is we actually say, let's put these two groups together and find out how many there are total between them. So now what we have to do is we have to count how many are in the group when combined. And we know that there were 12 in this group, so the last number would be 12. I can just count on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. That is how you solve a simple addition problem.
Okay, did you get the strategy? Show me your thumbs up if you were able to get the strategy from that video. Did you get it? For a while. I want to see everybody. Stop sharing. There you go. Okay. Tell me if you understood the video on how to add simple addition. Okay, I'm going to give you an example, okay? I want you to get your paper and pencil now. Let's do it together, okay? Let's follow the strategy, okay, based from the video that you have watched. Let's get paper and pencil or a paper and a marker. Let's do math now. Let's see if we are superheroes in mathematics. And we can solve it quickly as we can. Ready, Misty, Delisa, get your paper, please. Gavin, get your paper. Charles, get your paper. Julian. Charlie's ready. Both Charlies are ready. Jaden, paper and pencil. Samuel, good job. Ava, show us your paper and pencil. Ready now. Let's try 9 plus 7. Remember that the strategy of that man is to draw 9 dots. You need to draw 9 dots or 9 circles, okay? I'm doing it vertically. It's standing. My circles are standing. But if I have space, I am going to try to imagine the 10 frames, okay? So I have 9 and then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now remember that the last number here is 9, okay? In our first group. And the man said we need to count on continuously from 9. Here we will start with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what is 9 plus 7?
16.
Good job, Devon. That is 16.
16.
Do you have the same answer as Devon and Miss Yap? 16? Show me your thumbs up if you're a superhero. Good job, superheroes. Let's try another one. Get a new page. Let's try another one. We will use 11. 11.
Put them in the little panel.
11 plus 8. I want bigger numbers, okay? I want bigger numbers because I'm a superhero in math. We can do this together, okay? We're superheroes in math. So, you draw 11 dots.
11 plus 8.
11 plus 8. You need to count continuously. So, you have, the last number here is 11, okay? And then, 8 in here.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You have to count continuously. Ready? From 11, your next here is 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So what's the last one? So what's your answer? Dakota, why is it 100, Dakota? What is 11 plus 8? Not 15. 11. What is that? 19. Good job. Our answer is, Devon, 19. Because when you continuously count from 11, your next 19. Good job, Devon. Jaden, good job. Do you have the same answer?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, put your pencil and your paper down. So that is just one way of solving it, okay? There are so many ways on how to do it. How to add two numbers, bigger numbers, okay? And I have another one, another strategy on how to do and add addition. Okay, let's see. Let me have, we will use our, can you see my slide now? I am going to walk you through Clever. I'm going to walk you through Clever. We will open our math book in Clever, okay? We will open our math book in Clever. And you go to Savas, something like this. Can you see this? Savas, click it. Can you see I'm trying to walk you through math? So in your account, you can see math. You can see something like a butterfly. Allison, can you show me your thumbs up if you can see the butterfly now? Okay, so this one is your math book. Can you see the one with turtle and a robot? This one is your math book. Good job. Thank you for answering back. And you have to look for, and you have a test in here, okay? You will just click that and you will get your test. Now in topic 1, go to topic 1, and then we are in lesson 1-3, okay? So when you are in your lesson 1-3, you can click the interactive student. I will show that again later on. And you can have something for math. Okay, are you ready for visual learning?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let's listen.
How many penguins do you see?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
7. Let's see.
There are 7 penguins.
Some penguins can go inside the cave and some can go outside the cave.
So other penguins
How
are
many
inside,
penguins
okay?
are inside the cave? Select your answer.
So 4 inside the cave and 3 outside the cave. So you have 4 and 3. It makes what? Can you show me your fingers? 4 and 3. It makes 7. Good job. Let's see.
There are 4 penguins inside the cave. How many penguins are outside the cave?
3.
Select your answer.
Which one? The first or the second? First.
The first.
So we're good. Did you see the check? We're
There
good.
are 3 penguins outside the cave. You can write an equation to show the whole and the parts.
What does the number 7 mean in the equation? It is the whole. What do the numbers 3 and 4 mean in the equation? They are the parts.
Okay, again, what is 7 in the equation? 7 means the whole. Okay, everybody say the whole. When we say 4 plus 3, the two numbers, those are the parts. Just like your body, it's 7. It's the whole. When you say your hand and your head, okay, those are the parts. So those are the equations in math. Okay, we have 4 plus 4, the parts. 4 plus 3, sorry, the parts. And 7 as the whole. Okay, that's in the equation. Let's listen again.
Here is another way to show the 7 penguins. It has different parts, or groups of penguins, but has the same whole, or total number of penguins.
Okay, so a while ago you have 4 and 3 to make 7. What is the next combination? What are the next two parts? That when we add them, our total is still 7. Can you see that one? Who can tell me? What's the next equation? Yes, Allison.
5,
5 and
2,
2. So when we have 5 plus 2, it also makes 7. So it's either 4 plus 3 or 5 plus 2. The whole answer or the sum is still 7. Good job, Allison, for paying attention. Thank you. Next.
Now you know how to use different parts to show the same whole.
Okay. So, that's the other video. Let's see this one. So, there are so many activities in your what's this? Envision Math. So, in your student kit, in your Clever, just click it and you can watch it. And if there is something like you need to answer, you need to answer it. Okay? You can find this in your Clever. Where can you find this? Clever. Okay, and that is in Savas. Still working. Sometimes it's really slow. It depends on the internet. So you just have to follow and click the arrow. And you can see the students edition in here. There you go. So there are so many exercises that you can see. Okay? For example, this one. Can you get a paper now, please? Can you get a paper and a pen? Good job, Jaden. Paper and a pen. We will try to do this together. Okay? I am going to, let me see if I can grab this. I will just annotate. I'm going to draw. Okay? We have 9 bats. We have 9 bats in the cave. 9 bats. Okay, now you're going to make combination. I am going to think of 4 bats plus 5 bats equals 9 bats. Okay. So my combination is 4 and 5 to make 9. Can you make your combination too?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead. I want you to write down your own combination. I made 4 plus 5, it makes 9. Now, I want you to write your own equation, combination, the parts. Ready? Go. Write your own equation to make 9 bats in all. Devon, get your paper now. And you're going to make 2 numbers, 2 addends that when you put them together, your answer is 9. Think of the parts or think of 2 numbers that when you put them together, your answer is 9.
9, 10, 11, 14, 15.
I made, because it says here 9 bats. There are 9 bats. So what are the two numbers that when I added them, I will get 9? So I think of 4 and 5. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It makes 5. 9. Or when I put 4 hearts, that represents the bat, and then 5. So 4 plus 5, it makes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's my combination. Can I see your combination, please? Show me your equation, please. Good job. Okay, Jaden has 4 plus 5 too. Okay, 4 plus 5. Or you can switch it, Jaden. Who else? Let me see your equation, please. Delisa, what's your equation? 4 plus 5 too. Okay, 4 plus 5 makes 9. Do you have any other equation? Yes, Allison. What's your...
It's 8 plus 2 equals 9.
Is it 8 plus 2? I think 8 plus 2 makes 10.
Oh.
Okay, what do you think? It's not 2. What is the number that when you add to 8, it will become 9? Is it 2 or 1?
1.
1. So your combination is 8 plus 1 makes 9. Good job, Allison. Okay?
Close.
You need to double check.
Close.
Yeah, closer, but it's good, okay? You're doing some estimation, but for your answer to be exact and perfect, you need to draw. Okay? If you are sometimes not so sure of your answer, you need to prove it. Okay? Who else? Who else has an equation? So 4 plus 5, when you switch 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, it's the same, 9. Samuel, do you have another equation, Samuel?
6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equals
Frankie, do you have equation, Frankie, for us? What are the two numbers that when you put together, you have 9 as the answer? Unmute your microphone, Frankie. Can I hear you? I know you're very good also in math. Come on, Frankie. Can you share something else? What? Do you have combination for 9, Frankie? What are the two parts? Jacob, what's that, Jacob? We're doing math now. Gavin. Okay. Gavin, do you have something like an equation for 9? What do you have?
4
4?
plus 3 equals 9.
Make sure of that. Mine is 4 plus 5 makes 9. What other equations that you can combine or put together to have 9? 4 plus 3, it's 7. So we need to think about 9, Gavin.
4 plus 8 Teacher?
You need to think.
9.
We have another one. Charlie, do you have an equation? I think Charlie has a... Okay. Charlie, what do you have for us?
4 plus 5 equals 9.
Look at Charlie's work. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Good job, Charlie. Hooray! That's another equation. 6 plus 3 makes 9. Good job, Charlie. So that's another combination. Let's try the next one. 8 bats in all. Let's try 8. What are the two combinations for 8? Two combinations for 8. Sorry, I need to make a draw. Next, activity is 8 bots in all. What are the two combinations? What are the two parts that when you put together, you have 8 as the answer? Okay? Can I make mine? I will make mine, okay? I am going to think about 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. Okay, any number added to 0, you have the same answer. Okay? It's still 8. So that's what I'm thinking about 8. 8 bots plus 0 or empty, it's still 8. So my answer is still 8. Do you have any equation now? Allison, ready?
I have it. 4
4.
equals 8.
Okay, Allison's work equation is 4 plus 4. Okay, good job. It makes 8. Good job, Allison. Do you have any other equation?
No.
Okay, how about others? Please, can you share your equation? Jacob,
2 plus 2 equals
is it?
4.
Oh, we're thinking about 8, Mavis. You're almost there. But we're thinking about 8 as the sum or the total. Yes, Jacob? Can you share it, Jacob? Unmute your microphone, Jacob. What are the two numbers that when you add them together? What's your answer?
20 plus 20 equals 30.
I said you have to think of 8, Jacob. You have a bigger number now. Only 8 as your answer. Blank plus blank equals 8. Come on, Devon. What?
8 plus 0 is 8.
Okay, 8 plus 0 is 8. Just like Miss Yap's answer. Delisa, do you have something else, Delisa? Okay, what do you have, Delisa?
Teacher.
Okay, let's listen to Delisa. What is that again?
8 plus 8 is 16.
Oh, your answer is 16. We need to think about 8, Delisa. The answer should be 8, not 16, okay? Ready? Think again of another number. Who has an answer?
Teacher.
Who has an answer? Deja, do you have an answer? Frankie? What are you doing, Frankie? I can see you.
10 plus 1.
10 plus 1, is it 8? That's 11.
7.
7 plus 1. Okay, good job. 7 plus 1 makes 8. Is there anyone? 7 plus 1 makes 8. That's good. What about if we will switch 7 plus 1? Look at my drawing here. Look at my equation to make 8. I am going to switch 7 plus 1 and make it 1 plus 7. Dakota, are you listening? Okay, good job. What's yours, Dakota? If we switch 7 plus 1 to 1 plus 7, the answer is still 8. Okay? Misty, can you follow Misty? Can you follow Misty? No? Okay, look at this. I'm going to use heart, blue heart. 1, 2, red heart. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this first is 4. Let me erase this. So,
Yeah.
yes, Dakota?
I write 1 plus 5 and 8.
What? Oh, but we are going to think about 8, not 6, Dakota. Remember, our sum, our whole is 8. How can you make 8? Zachariah, do you have anything, Zachariah?
Teacher,
Yes.
when are we going to be done?
You have to show it. Once you're done, show it. What's your combination to make 8? Do you have anything?
4 and 4.
4 and 4 makes? Delisa is raised. 4 and 4 makes?
5.
Not 5. 8. Okay, good job. Next, Delisa. Delisa, what do you have for us, Delisa? You need to...
3 plus 5 equals 8.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, 3. Let me change my drawing. 3 plus 5. According to Delisa, it's 8. That's correct, Delisa. 3 plus 5 makes 8. Good job, Delisa. 5 points. Do you have anything? Okay, Charlie. Charlie, do you have anything? 2 plus 6. Okay, let's try 2 plus 6 makes 8. So when you switch 6 plus 2, it's the same. Good job, Charlie. 6 plus 2 makes 8. So just switch the two numbers and you have the same answer. Good? Okay. So you're going to receive later on, okay, your homework in your email. So I hope you can solve that on your own, okay? I hope that you can solve it on your own. Okay? So, who's ready for math? This is your homework in math. I need to show you your homework in math.
Teacher, after the math, are we done?
Oh, we still have a bit for social science and then that's it. Okay? So, I want to show you your homework. Can you see your homework? So you have here the monkey, the cat, the ball, and the bird. These are your homeworks. It's a different one, Devon. It's a different one. So I want you to look at your homework. And this is your homework, okay? I'm going to send that to your parents later on through their email. And your mom or your dad or anybody else at home can take a picture of your answer. Just write it on a piece of paper. You don't have to print it, okay? Do not print. Just write your answer or your equation on a piece of paper and then that's it. Just show it to Miss Yap. Okay? But if you have printer, that's better. Okay? But if you don't have printer at home, we understand that. So all you have to do is just to write your answer on a piece of paper and then just show it to Miss Yap. That's it. Okay? Clear? Is it clear? Thank you, Deja. Thank you, Allison. Just write the answer and then that's it. Dakota, do you hear me, huh? So that's your answer, okay? So let's see.
That's you. That's the wrong line.
I can hear you. Let's.
I keep doing it.
Let's see if I have another one for your mastery. Okay, you need to master this. Let's watch.
I have a pointer. Did you know?
In this video, we're going to look at how to solve a simple addition problem.
But what happened?
This addition problem says
Oh, it's the
12
same.
plus 5 equals blank. Now what this means is
It's
it
the
means that we
same,
have
right?
one group of 12. I'll go ahead and draw out 12 circles to represent the number 12.
I think that's the same. Let me check the other one. Because I think I made another one.
Did you want me to mute, Miss Yap?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, it's
the
this.
wrong line. I have to keep my hand up.
Where?
Can talk to. But right now, I have to unmute on split.
Thank you, Dakota. I appreciate that. Now, I want you to look at this picture.
This is what you want me to You. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
No. It's
You need to mute your microphone, everybody, so that you can hear me clearly. Okay, thank you. Okay, I want you to look at the 3 images here. Okay? The first one is the one in silver, and the second one is the one in yellow, and the third one is the one in red with a hat. Where can we see these images? I want you to think about it and let us watch this video because we will learn something about a certain place. And that place is something familiar to everybody. Okay? So I want you to watch the video so that we can learn something about this place. And then later on, I will ask someone to say what is that place, where is that place, and what are the things that we can see in that place. Okay? Thumbs up if you're ready. This will be our last one. Thumbs up if you're ready. Let's do social studies now.
And then it's 12.
Okay, ready?
Oh, well, buckle in. Get ready for fun and learning. This is a homeschool pop U.S. States video. In this video, we are learning about the state of New Mexico. That's right, we're going to have such a great time learning about New Mexico. First, we want to find where New Mexico is on the United States map. Here is the map of the United States. Now, where is the state of New Mexico? Where is New Mexico? Yeah, right down here. New Mexico is right down here on the map of the United States. New Mexico is in a region of the United States called the Southwest. Cool. Now we are going to look at the places that border New Mexico. First, bordering New Mexico to the north is the state of Colorado. Then there are 2 states that border New Mexico to the east, Oklahoma and Texas. You might notice Texas borders New Mexico to the south a little bit too. Then bordering New Mexico directly to the south is the country of Mexico. That's right, Mexico. Then there are 2 states that border New Mexico to the west. Directly to the west is the state of Arizona. And then to the northwest is the state of Utah. Right here is a really cool place called the Four Corners. It's where Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona meet at one point. It's a place you can actually visit and step there and be like, hey, I'm almost in 4 states at the same time. To review, New Mexico is down here in a region of the United States called the Southwest. Very cool. Now we are going to look at 2 nicknames of the state of New Mexico to learn even more. The 2 nicknames of New Mexico are the Land of Enchantment and the Cactus State. Interesting names. First, why is New Mexico called the Land of Enchantment? The word enchantment means delight or wonder, and it can often carry the idea of being magical. It's almost so wonderful, it's magical. And look at the rich beauty, this Land of Enchantment, New Mexico. Here is a hot air balloon ride over New Mexico, the Land of Enchantment. Look at these captivating views. So much wonder, it's almost magical, the Land of Enchantment. I hope they remembered their cameras. So, New Mexico is called the Land of Enchantment, but why is New Mexico called the Cactus State?
New Mexico is called the cactus state because there are so many cactus plants there. But I would run if you saw a cactus plant like this. They're not supposed to have eyes, not supposed to have mouths, okay? That's not normal, not normal. Here's a cactus plant, a real cactus plant. Cactus plants come in many shapes and sizes. Most cactus plants are covered in these spikes called spines. The spines are meant to protect the plant and to protect the water supply in the cactus plant because cactus plants are in dry environments where water is very precious. Here is something interesting. If there is more than one cactus plant, they are called cacti. Yeah, so if you look at this picture, you can say, oh my goodness, look at all those cacti in New Mexico, okay? That's awesome. New Mexico has a lot of cacti. Awesome. Now we are going to look at the flag of New Mexico, the land of enchantment, the cactus state.
Look at the flag.
The flag of the state of New Mexico. The flag is a yellow flag with a red symbol in the middle. This red symbol in the center of the flag is the Zia sun symbol of the Zia people. The Zia people lived in New Mexico long before the Spanish explorers found it in the 1500s. The cool thing is, the Zia still live in New Mexico today. The colors of the flag, yellow and red, are a tribute to Spain,
Devon.
the country that used to own the land of
Watch the
New
video,
Mexico.
Devon.
Cool. Now we are going to locate two major cities in the state of New Mexico. First is the city of Santa Fe. Santa Fe is the capital of New Mexico.
Okay, Santa Fe.
Then, a little further south and to the west is the city of Albuquerque. Albuquerque is the largest city in New Mexico.
Albuquerque.
All right, here is our final question. What is the state bird of New Mexico?
Do you know what's the state bird?
The state bird of New Mexico is the greater roadrunner. The greater roadrunner. And in case you're curious, there is a lesser roadrunner, but the state bird of New Mexico is the greater roadrunner. They are birds with long legs that go really fast. That's what they're known for. Because they are so fast, greater roadrunners love to chase down their prey. Thanks for watching this video on New Mexico, the land of enchantment, the cactus state. Is there anything you know about New Mexico that we didn't have time to share in this video? Let us know in the comment section below, and we hope to see you next video.
Yeah, almost, Ava. Okay. So, you learned
You don't
something.
have to be done.
You learned something about the state of New Mexico. And who can share with me what did you learn from that video? What is the place that we're talking about? Who wants to share?
Where we live in the Mexico.
Okay, Zachariah. Zachariah is going to say something. What did you learn from the video, Zachariah? Next will be Misty. Oh, I think Charlie's raising his hand. Charlie the boy, okay? Charlie's going to share something. What did you learn?
Where you live.
Sorry, Zachariah. Let's listen first to Charlie. Charlie again? Roadrunner? You're talking about Roadrunner? Roadrunner is the state bird. Okay? Good job, Charlie. Is that the one you're talking about, Charlie?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Charlie. You did it great. You're paying attention. What else? Allison. Unmute your microphone, Allison. Please. What did you learn from the video that talks about the state of New Mexico?
That the cactus and those spines
Mm-hmm.
take their water from inside.
Oh, the cactus. Okay, if it's only one cactus and if there's many cacti, okay? And we call the state of New Mexico as the land of cacti, okay? Because there are so many cactus in here. Can we touch the cactus?
No.
No. Okay? Because
One
there
time,
are some spikes on the cactus. Okay? You cannot touch that.
I found the cactus.
Oh, that's painful, right? So avoid getting near the cactus or even touch the cactus, okay? Where else? Ava. Ava's going to share us. Thank you, Allison. Ava.
I touched the cactus before.
Really? And then what happened?
It hurted like that.
Oh, and then did you go somewhere else? Who fixed that? Did you go to the hospital to see the doctor? No. No, who helped you out? Who helped you out?
My grandpa took it out.
Oh, that's
My
okay.
grandpa took it out.
Okay, that's good, Ava. So now you learned your lesson, so don't get near the cactus, okay? Who else? What else can you learn, or what else did you learn? Gavin. Gavin is raising his hand. Gavin, unmute your microphone, please. Thank you, Ava. What did you learn from the state of New Mexico video? Let's hear it from Gavin.
Well, I learned that the state of New Mexico is also named Cacti.
The land of cacti and the land of enchantment. Okay? There are two things that, called for New Mexico. The land of cacti or cactus, and then the land of enchantment. Why land of enchantment? Thank you, Gavin. Good job, Gavin. Why is it land of enchantment, Delisa?
Because it's come from poltergeist.
Devon, why is it land of enchantment, Delisa?
Because it's the desert.
Because of the desert. And did you see the hot air balloon? If you are on top and you can see the beautiful place of New Mexico. Good job, Delisa. Good job. What else? What are the places near New Mexico? What are those places near New Mexico? Yes, Allison.
Okay. Santa Fe
Santa Fe?
and Albuquerque.
Albuquerque. Those are the two famous places because Santa Fe is the capital of New Mexico, and the other big place in New Mexico is Albuquerque. Remember that, okay? So, anybody? Thank you, Allison. Anyone? Okay, so I think it's been a long Thursday, terrific. It's been a terrific, yes. So, I want you to just do your homework in math later on. And you have to do your eye station. Okay, I'm showing it right now. You have to do eye station. After meeting Miss Yap, you have to have your break, lunch break. Okay, for 1 hour you have to have your lunch break. And then you will do eye station. What will you do? Eye station, 30 minutes. I want you to finish your test in eye station, okay? Do you hear me? Show me your thumbs up, Charlie, Zachary, Deja, Misty, Jadon. Again, let me repeat. We will have our lunch break now, 1 hour lunch break. And then when you get back you will do this on your own, okay? If you have classes with Miss Stewart, go to Miss Stewart's class, okay? If you have classes with Miss Stewart. If you don't have classes with Miss Stewart, okay. If you don't have classes with Miss Stewart, work on in your iStation, okay? Do you hear me? Show me your thumbs up. Work on in your iStation, okay? Okay. So, everybody, let's give ourselves one fireworks clap for doing your best today. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Psh, psh, boom. Again. 1, 2, 3. Psh, psh, boom. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Do your homework. Eva, lunch break now. Bye-bye. Do your homework in math. And do iStation. Bye-bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. And be ready with Fun Friday tomorrow. Be ready. Bye. Bye, Deja. Bye, Sakura. Bye, Jaden. iStation reading. Bye, Charlie. Bye. See you tomorrow at 8:30, okay? Do your iStation. I'm checking. And do your math homework. I'm going to send the new homework in math. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Charlie. You did great today, Charlie.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Gavin. Bye, Ava. Bye, Juan Miguel. Bye, Joseph. Bye, Samuel. Mavis, bye-bye. Take your lunch. Do your iStation, Mavis.
Bye. Teacher.
Do your iStation, Devon. Jacob, bye-bye. Julian, bye-bye.
We're reading the meeting. Bye.
Yeah. See ya.
See you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.